If you need to flip a layer horizontally in Pixlr, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps so you can mirror an image, text, or graphic layer in just a few clicks. This is a really useful edit for making designs look balanced, fixing orientation, or creating a mirrored effect without starting over. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your project is already open in Pixlr and take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. This is where all of your image elements are listed. Click the layer that you want to flip horizontally. It's important to select the correct layer first because the flip action will only apply to the active layer you choose here. Once your target layer is selected, go up to the top menu bar and click Edit. This opens the editing options for the current project. From the Edit menu, move your cursor down to Transform. You should see a flyout menu appear with several transform options. Now, from that menu, click Flip Horizontal. The selected layer will instantly mirror from left to right. That's all there is to it. Your layer is now flipped horizontally in Pixlr, and you can continue editing, reposition it if needed, or combine it with other elements in your design. If you want to undo it, you can always use the undo option and repeat the steps again. So just to recap, select the layer in the Layers panel, click Edit, hover over Transform, and then choose Flip Horizontal. Simple, fast, and very useful for everyday edits. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Pixlr tips, and I'll see you in the next one.